Hey guys, my name is Samantha Nicole. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year! We are going to do a video to get this look using these two products from Oribe, Maximista for volume and Straightaway Cream for smoothness and shine. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Hi guys, so you guys already know that we love doing product knowledge for you guys. You guys have been obviously liking them, so we're going to make more like you guys requested. I'm going to use the Maximista thickening spray from Oribe. That gives me a lot of height in movement into the hair. And you would just spray it like so on through the hair, okay guys? Anybody who has medium to thin hair, this is good for you because it makes your hair feel full, it makes your hair feel thick, and it'll help kind of like wake up your follicle already. The next one, you can mix the two. You're going to do a cocktail, right? And it's the Straightaway Smoothing Cream from Oribe. I have a little bit of, I always say this in every video, but it's so true. And you're going to see it when I blow dry it. I have Princess Diaries. Remember what's her name? Anne Hathaway. When they blow dry her hair out, it's like thick and full and crazy looking hair. That is my hair. And then for some evenness, I mean, you don't have to do this, but you can. You can. You don't have to. You were just going to comb it through, and it just gives your hair all the way like an even look. An even look, that's ridiculous. I mean, like even throughout the hair. It's like I'm on an interview. Okay, so then I've been using the brush that you guys can get on yournewimage.com. You can get all these products from yournewimage.com. Is the blow dryer brush, right? So you're going to grab it and obviously turn it on, and then you're going to just blow dry your hair. You can section it if it's a lot easier. I don't really need to anymore. I feel like I'm already used to it, but if it's easy for you, get a clip and clipper. So normally when you blow dry it probably took about maybe 8 to 10 minutes. And so it kind of goes really quickly. If you notice with both products, I went straight up to smooth the hair out, and then I actually went up to create a little bit more volume in the hair. You can see it. It feels really great. I mean, you can actually put your fingers right through it. And we were just talking about how many times have you get out of the shower, do you not, like in the past couple of years, ask yourself, do you put product in your hair or do you just kind of let it air dry? We were saying right now that we actually, it's been years since anyone has done it. And for myself, if I don't put product, I do look like a huge lion. It is very hard to blow dry it out. The benefits of this blow dryer brush is that you don't have to be with the brush and the round brush and going down. I mean, it's just like a preference, right? For me, I prefer the brush because it's a lot easier for me to do it than for me to be kind of rotating the hair out. The combination for both of these products are really good. So if you have very thick hair, you don't want to use the thickening spray because all it's going to do is make your hair feel a lot more thicker and expanded and have a lot more volume. If you notice when I'm blow drying my hair with it, this side took a little bit, it was quicker for me to blow dry this side than this side because this side feels, I have less hair and the way I parted it, right? So again, basically don't apply thickening spray if it's too thick. The smoothing cream, you can do it on thin hair, you can do it on medium hair, you can do it on thick hair. Start with a little bit and then start using a lot more. Okay, we're gonna start curling our hair. I'm just gonna do a quick small wave, but this video is really for you guys to understand the product, get some product knowledge, and figure out which products are best for yourself. Okay guys, with the product in your hair, you should feel, again, very smooth, and we're just gonna do a quick wave. And if you guys don't know how to wave your hair, just maybe like perfect video just for you to kind of learn how to do it, right? And with the smoothing cream, it so makes your hair so smooth. I mean, and slippery, as you can see. And you're protecting your hair from heat. There is heat protectant in both products. And Oribe is actually super organic. They don't have the bunny on it, but for safety reasons, you know, different manufacturers, but they are pretty animal friendly. They don't test their products on animals, if that's a thing for you. It's a thing for me, 100%. So I don't curl the waves out till the very end, and I'm leaving the ends out. My hair's growing, thank the Lord. By June, I'm gonna have long locks, okay? Whether it's real or fake, y'all, the extensions are in. Well, that's why we're hairdressers, right? I mean, we can do anything. And if you're a client watching this, this is perfect. We can put extensions in your hair. Right now we have the extensions in, but they're only for fullness. I needed something a little bit different because I was wearing the extensions for length, probably for like, I don't even know how many months, maybe like 6 months. Who knows, very long time. It's good to change it up. Especially when you've been blonde for 10 years, okay? And your spouse is at home, or someone's like, you should be a brunette. And you're like, no girl, I was born blonde. What do you mean a brunette? What's that? Those days are over. And the whole point for you guys to learn how to do this is that you're not like taking so much time at home if you can't come in, if you're traveling. This should take you about a good 15 minutes or less. This is probably taking us the video probably about maybe 15 minutes, but because we have to like set up, right? So not too long. Curling iron is just a generic curling iron. You can get it also on yournewimage.com. The next couple of weeks we are going to bring some professional other curling irons that you can get at different places. I'll tell you when we get them. Reason being is that we are actually growing really quickly on Instagram as far as the boutique goes, and I have clients from San Francisco and California, and this way they can just go pick up from these stores and we can tag the brands as we continue to grow too. So a lot of cool new stuff coming. And this is the first video of the year, so hopefully you guys really enjoy it. Again, I'm curling it. I'm only holding it a couple of seconds. I'm not getting the ends today. Normally I do, but it'll be a little bit different. Okay, you always let your hair cool down. You never want to let the curling iron, you never want your hair to kind of, when it's, oh my gosh, here I am losing my words again. You never want to let your hair not cool down before combing the hair out. Reason being is because the wave stays in it. So if you have thin hair, very straight hair, you can put working spray before you curl it. My hair stays on, so I didn't do that. But I am going to spray it at the end just so it can last for the next 3 days. And then our next video next week will be with dry shampoo, how to style it right after the gym, because, well, you know, it's a new year and I'm sure everyone is going to the gym, and I have been going to the gym, so telling you, like, my hair with dry shampoo saves the freaking day. So that is it for us. You can see the hair. We'll show you the after. Remember to like this video right here, put a comment, thumbs up, and we will share more videos. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.